Hi, I'm Yvette Rios, and today I've got two delicious potato sides. One is more elegant, the other one is more playful. So let's get started. Let's start with our mashed potatoes snow people. They are fun and festive and such a delicious way to serve up mashed potatoes. Okay, so what I have is some mashed potatoes that I already made according to the directions in the back of the bag, easy peasy. Now I'm going to make the features for our snow people because we all know they've got eyes and noses and mouths. So I'm gonna start with a nose. And I'm using just a little bit of a baby carrot. Okay, now I'm gonna make the mouths, and I'm using a green pepper for that. Now to make our scarf, I've got some green onion here, and then you're gonna cut right down the center. And then just open it up, and that's gonna become our scarf. So you just sort of wanna massage it a little bit, warm it up. I went ahead and cut one of them in half again, because that's gonna make it a little bit easier to make your knot. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little time to cut the arms. And our little lumps of coal for our eyes and buttons are gonna be these peppercorns. Now it's time to make our snow people. I'm using 3 different sizes of ice cream scoops. He looks so cute. Our snow people are done. I'm just gonna add some rosemary sprigs just to decorate our platter a little bit. And what I love about this platter is that it's actually oven safe. So if you want to keep these warm, you can put them in the oven at 200 degrees. These are so adorable. I know our guests are gonna love them. Potato roses are a fun and festive addition to any holiday table, and they make a great appetizer. So let me show you how it's done. I've got some red skin potatoes over here, and I'm using a handy dandy mandolin, not the instrument, but this device allows you to cut potatoes nice and thin, which you're gonna need to make these roses. Now I'm just gonna put this in the microwave on high for 6 to 8 minutes to soften my potatoes. Okay, there are my potatoes. They look great. So now what I'm gonna do is put them on paper towel just so I can dry them off. Then I'm just gonna pat it dry. You want them to be as dry as you can. Now it's time to make the mixture we're gonna put on top of them. So I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and I'm gonna add a packet of ranch dressing mix. The potatoes have really good coverage. So I'm gonna put these over here, and I'm gonna start on my muffin pan. I'm gonna add a little bit of cooking spray to each one. And then I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. This is gonna kind of be the glue at the bottom of our roses. I'm gonna add a scoop of mashed potatoes. And now comes the fun part because we're gonna start making our roses. So this seems intimidating, but it's actually really easy. I'm just gonna take my slices of potato, and I'm gonna put about 15 on top of each other. Then all you need to do is just start rolling them. Do you see it? It looks like a rose. So I'm just gonna place this inside of my muffin tin. So I've got the base of the potato roses done, and now I'm gonna add 5 little slices to the center to really fill out the roses. Every rose is different. No 2 roses look the same, so you can have some fun with this. Now I'm gonna pop them into the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes until they're nice and crispy. These look so great. Look at that. Just beautiful. Now you're just gonna let these cool and then plate them up and you're good to go. I'm just gonna add a little parsley to the top to garnish them and give it a little fresh flavor. Don't these look so beautiful? They'd make a great past hors d'oeuvre, and they'll make a fantastic side. Our potato roses look so tasty, and everyone is gonna love our snow people. The Highland plaid serveware was perfect for the theme, and it gave me the ideal color palette. Happy holidays.